Today we talk about how can you get premium on your Komoot app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile. Down here, you click on it. So when you click on profile here, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go above this and click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on live tracking here, so then you come to this list here. Can you if you want to get for annually here or month, so just click on it here, then just waiting to open video. So then here it's going to show for you a list like this. Then here add credit or debit card. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to add your card information. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.